Inbound materials are received under ESD control to protect sensitive electronics.
Incoming quality control verifies critical dimensions and appearance.
Materials are either quarantined or released based on inspection results. The stencil printer is prepared to ensure accurate solder paste deposition.
Solder paste is printed to define every future electrical connection. Solder paste inspection confirms volume and position before placement.
Verified boards move forward for automated component placement. Automated placement ensures speed and positional accuracy for all components.
Controlled heat profiles permanently solder components to the board.
Gradual cooling stabilizes solder joints and prevents defects.
Automated optical inspection detects solder and placement issues early.
Repaired boards are rechecked to confirm compliance.
Finished boards are serialized and prepared for final assembly.
Qualified boards are delivered to the final assembly line.
Final assembly stations are prepared to receive tested PCBs.
Are the pins fully engaged?
Yes, they are. The seating is complete.
Thermal components are added to manage operating heat.
The display is seated to ensure uniform alignment and sealing. Automated vision confirms display positioning. Final fastening locks the enclosure to specification. Units are prepared for automated functional testing. Power-on testing confirms core system operation.
Audio testing verifies speaker and amplifier performance.
Wireless tests confer stable communication performance.
Media interfaces are tested to ensure compatibility.
Charging behavior is verified for safety and longevity.
Only fully compliant units proceed beyond end-of-line testing. Non-conforming units are automatically separated for controlled handling. Repaired units must pass the same tests as standard production. Only verified units are released back into normal flow. Each console receives a unique serial number for full traceability.
Protective packaging secures the product for transport.
Sealing protects contents during downstream handling.
Correct labeling ensures logistics and regulatory compliance. Weight checks confirm full and correct packing.
Sealed cases protect products during warehouse movement. Case labels extend traceability beyond individual units. Cases are stacked consistently to ensure pallet stability. Finished pallets are transferred to controlled warehouse storage.
Each pallet is stored in a tracked warehouse location.
Electronic waste is prepared for certified recycling partners.
Plastic byproducts are sorted by material type for reuse.
Hazardous waste is stored securely for licensed disposal. Pallets are staged and matched to outbound shipments.
Finished goods are loaded carefully to prevent transit damage.
Seals protect shipment integrity during transit.
System confirmation closes the production and logistics loop.
Here's another broken one.
Got it. We're almost through this pallet.
The SMT line is holding steady at 99.8. Good, good. Final assembly is keeping pace.
Routine maintenance preserves print accuracy and uptime. Calibrated tools ensure consistent assembly quality. Critical spares are managed to minimize downtime.
Watch the alignment here. It needs to click in smoothly.
Like this?
Perfect. Now secure the clamp.
Finished products await delivery to global markets.
The production cycle concludes with controlled shipment readiness.
Unused materials are verified and returned to stock to maintain accuracy.
Short buffers balance flow between testing and packing.
Quality holds are formally closed once issues are resolved.
Reusable logistics materials are recovered to reduce waste.
Recyclables are staged for certified partner collection.
All right, let's verify the seal number against the manifest here.
It's number 47B.
Got it. Okay, you are all set.
Environmental control protects finished electronics during storage. Records are retained to meet compliance and traceability needs. The facility rests in a controlled state, ready for the next production run. Sealed shipments await scheduled departure.
Leftover packing scrap is sorted for recycling. Reusable protective materials are recovered to minimize waste.
All outbound activity is complete for the production batch. The factory stands ready for the next scheduled production.
Utilities are secured to maintain safe and reduce waste.
Storage areas are secured once operations conclude. The facility is reset and prepared for the next production cycle.
Receiving areas are reset to ensure controlled handling of the next deliveries. Production scheduling aligns resources for the upcoming run.
This concludes a full, controlled production cycle for the Nintendo Switch.